Good morning everyone. We continue our lesson. See, she called out. Anjali asked that, who are you? वो कोई आके ऐसी चुप चुप के देखता है. She asked, who are you? Reply, I am Pinky. My father works in the mango orchard. Who is that? She said Pinky. My father works in the mango orchard means रघुराम का बेटी है ना. Pinky is the daughter of gardener. See, Anjali invited her to play with her on the swing and shared a mango with her. What Anjali do it? Anjali invite her. Anjali invited to who? Pinky and her and to play with her and on the swing and shared a mango with her. Okay, Anjali invited Pinky and shared the mangoes and they played each other. See, many days went by and both the girls become very good friends. One day, Anjali asked, I have never seen you go to school. Why? Pinky looked very uncomfortable. She did not answer and simply ran away. See the what is the meaning of uncomfortable? Worried and nervous. See the paragraph. Many days went by and both the girls become very good friends. I see. क्या हो गया? लो दोनों इतना friends हो गया. ज़्यादा दिन बीत गया. They are become a very good friends. One day Anjali asked. एक दिन अंजलि asked that one, I have never seen you go to school. मैं अभी तक नहीं देखा आप स्कूल में जा रहे. Why? क्यों? Pinky looked very uncomfortable. अंजलि asked that this question, why you not go to school? मैं अभी तक नहीं देखा. वो जल्दी what happened? उसका face, पिंकी का face एकदम worry हो गया. She is very uncomfortable. Okay, she did not answer and simply ran away. She did not give the answer. What she do it? She ran away. वो उधर से गया. See the next paragraph. Anjali was puzzled. वो confusion हो गया. The next day too, there was no sign of Pinky. Anjali missed her friend and decided to go with her mother and meet Pinky at the outhouse. See the paragraph. Anjali was puzzled. Anjali इतना confusion में हो गया. Anjali was puzzled. The next day too, there was no sign of. The next day she is not coming there. She was not coming. Okay. Anjali missed her friend. Actually Anjali missed her friend. उसको friend नहीं आए उसको दुख हो गया. And she decided. Anjali decided. What she decided? To go with her mother and meet Pinky at the outhouse. Anjali decided that to go to Pinky's house with her mother. Clear? See the next paragraph. As they were talking to Pinky's house, Anjali saw some men put up a new hoarding across the compound wall. It read, each one teach one. See, as they were walking to Pinky's house, पिंकी का घर में जा रहे वो टाइम she saw that Anjali saw some men put up a new hoarding across the compound wall. compound wall में एक बोर्ड रख रहा है. देखो it read each one teach one. वो बोर्ड में क्या था? each one teach one. Clear? See the side view. See what is it? Each one and teach one. Here it is. See this one. Each one teach one. Each one teach one is a proverb which originated in the United States of America. During the time African slaves were denied education, when one of these slaves managed to get an education, it was his or her duty to teach another person to read and write. What is it? Each one and teach one. See, each one teach one is a proverb which originated where? The United States of America. Why it is originated? The African slaves were denied education. They are not ready to learn to start the education. So when one of these slaves managed to get an education, it was his or her duty to teach another person to read and write. ओके, लो डिसाइड किया है क्या है, एक एक पर्सन दूसरा को लिखने और पढ़ने के लिए हेल्प करो. दैट इज ईच वन टीच वन. Okay, see the next paragraph. Anjali read and remembered. Our teacher has taught us rhyming words. Anjali remember that our teacher learned the rhyming words. Teach, each. Okay, teach and each is a pair of rhyming words. But I wonder what this sentence means. अरे इसका मीनिंग का ये राइमिंग वर्ड्स है, टीच एंड ईच, बट व्हाट इज द. अंजलि read it and remembered our teacher has taught us rhyming words. Teach and each is a pair of rhyming words, but I wonder what this sentence means. Okay, what this sentence means, it was what this sentence means, his or her duty to get and manage to get an education. It was his or her duty to teach another person to read and write. Okay, then see the next one. Suman smiled at her daughter and said, it means every person can help another person to read and write. Suman, who is Suman? Anjali's mother. Anjali's mother looked her daughter and said, it means, इसका मीनिंग क्या है, it means every person can help another person. It means what the meaning of this, every person can help to another person for what, to read and write. Clear? To read and write के लिए दूसरा को help करना है. It is a very nice idea, exclaimed Anjali. Anjali happy, अरे it is a very nice idea this one. Yes, indeed it is, said her mother. Suman and Anjali reached the outhouse. Pinky met them and shyly said, I ran away that day because I thought you would make fun of me. You see, I never went to school and do not know how to read and write. It is impossible that I can learn now. See the paragraph. Suman and Anjali reached the where? Suman and Anjali reached where? Pinky, Anjali and Anjali's mother reached Pinky's house. Okay. Pinky met them and shyly said, Pinky met him and shyly said, I ran away that day. मैं उस दिन वो भाग गया ना, because I thought you would make fun of me. मुझको लगा आप मेरे ऊपर मजाक कर रहे हैं ना. You make a fun of me. You see, I never went to school. मैं अभी तक स्कूल में नहीं गया. And do not know how to read and write. And do not know how to read and write. मुझको क्या नहीं जानता है? I don't know write and read. It is impossible that I can learn now. It is very impossible, very task. I can't learn to write and read. See the next paragraph. Nothing is impossible, Pinky. In fact, everything is possible if you set in your mind to it, said Anjali's mother and put her arms around the child. What Anjali's mother said that nothing is impossible. कुछ भी असंभव नहीं है. In fact, everything is possible. She said, Anjali's mother said, everything is possible when you set your mind. आप मन रखे करो, you set your mind. Said Anjali's mother and put her arms around the child. वो उसको किसको, पिंकी को हक किया है. Okay, see. Anjali exclaimed, I have an idea. Why don't you come home every afternoon after I return from school? I will help you learn how to read and write. Anjali exclaimed. Anjali जल्दी पूछा, I have an idea. अरे I have an idea. Why don't you come home every afternoon?